Formule 1 već je tradicionalno počeo u četvrtak. Na prvim slobodnim treninzima najbrži je bio Fernando Alonso. Za petama mu je bio tesni McLarenov vozač Alexander Wurz. Treći je pak na iznenađenje svih bio David Coulthard za Red Bull. Agonija Ferrarija se nastavlja. Nakon vrlo loših rezultata i današnji su dan obilježila okretanje na stazi i plasman u donji dio poretka. Očekuje se subota i prvi kvalifikacijski trening. A sudeći po vremenskoj prognozi, kiši je kraj. Sutra će biti osjetno toplije i većinom sunčano. Na oblaka će se ponegdje zadržati još samo tijekom jutra i prije podneva. Jutro će biti svježe uz temperature od 5 do 10, na Jadranu od 11 do 16 stupnjeva. Najviša dnevna bit će uglavnom između 19 i 24 stupnja. Bilo je to sve. Laka vam noć.
Zaboravljeni slučaj upravo na RTL televiziji.
Bless me, Father, for I have sinned. It's been a year since my last confession. I've never told anyone this. Not my mom, not the police, not even my friends. Except for the ones who were there and... well, they're not around anymore. You see,
Yes.
I killed a man. But it was an accident. A terrible accident, and I've tried to get past it, but I can't.
Go on.
I have these dreams. You know, really horrible dreams. This man is always there with me. He was a killer. He murdered Barry and Helen, and he would have killed me too, but I got away with it. Oh, I guess I just need to deal with it, you know? Face the fear and the guilt. Finally say his name. Ben Willis. Ben Willis.
I know.
You know? How could you?
I know what you did last summer.
Nice to see you find political science so stimulating, Miss James.
Sorry.
Julie, wait. You okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You don't seem fine.
I had another dream, Well.
The one in the shower?
No, I'm in church. God, it was so real. I mean, I could feel his breath on me.
I'm sorry.
You know, and I thought that the dreams were over. I really did. I mean, I hadn't had one for months.
Well, it takes time, Julie. It'll get better.
No, it can't get much worse. I mean, that's not the first time that I freaked out in class, Will. I mean, I can't study. I don't get any sleep, and I am this close to failing at school. It was 1 year ago.
It's the anniversary. That's what it is. You just gotta take it easy on yourself.
Yeah, well, I'm really trying, Will, but you know what? Sometimes I wonder why I even came up here in the first place.
To get out of Southport?
Right, now I remember. So, are you getting out of town for the 4th?
No, I'll probably just be here studying for finals. Joys of summer school.
All right.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yes.
You're definitely okay?
Yes, I'm definitely okay. Look, thanks for the talk, Will. You're good to me, you know that?
I am?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you later.
Okay. Bye.
Julie.
Ray. Hi. God, what are you doing here?
I got in early. Who is that guy?
Oh, that's Will. He's a friend. You'd like him.
Yeah.
Ray, we're just friends.
Every guy in history who tried to pick up on a girl did the good friend thing first. Are you ready to go? I got my truck. You know the drill. It's a crab boil at Ollie's, a Croaker Queen pageant. It's small town fun, but it's still nice.
Ray, I can't.
But you can't what?
I feel like there's this small part of me that hasn't healed up enough to go back. So please understand.
I understand.
No, it's not like that, Ray. It's not you, okay? It is not you. It's all me, in my head. You know, I want to go back. I want to be fine.
cut you out of town. Look, I just wanted to buy you a black skirt, but I'm not ready to die for it.
Jesus, Carla, that was like heart attack time.
Can I have the knife now, please? Julie, I really think you should come out with me tonight. Really.
Well, I don't think so. I just tried to stab you with a knife. Carla, I hardly feel like dancing.
What's the matter?
I think I just hurt Ray's feelings.
Julie, listen to me, okay? Ray is a great guy. Nothing against old Ray, but he's so... Ray. I mean, he lives in Southport, Julie. Will's a nice guy and he lives right down the street.
Yeah, but there's nothing between Will and me.
Yet. Nothing yet. And you know what? We gotta keep moving, too. Now, I'm working at the club tonight and you, Dancing Queen, are coming with me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
What did I say?
Now, you know what I want to do to you, right? Right? Huh?
No, I'm not aware of that.
There's got to be a place in here where we can be alone.
Baby, you know what? I don't think so. It's pretty crowded in here.
Come on, baby, don't be like that. So I just want to talk to you for a minute.
Well, if you can say all you have to say to me in 1 minute, then I don't want to hear it.
Hey, I'll talk real slow.
Let it work. You know what? Do me a favor. Ask Julie to dance.
That's right. You know, Jules, you're the most beautiful woman in the bar tonight.
You know, Ty, you are an unstoppable force of nature.
You better recognize. See, that's how my species survives. You'll never convince me otherwise. So what's up? Want to dance?
Say yes.
No.
No means yes. Don't listen to her.
Ty, I really appreciate it, but have you seen my people dance? I mean, we do the, you know, the mouth thing, snap the fingers.
Hey, if worst come to worst, you can just stand there and watch me.
You know what? I have an idea. Why don't we all take a break and you can go dance, okay? Leave the tray there.
Come on, let's go. Do it.
Ooh, what do you know? Will Benson looking fine.
Carla, did you tell him I was going to be here?
No. I told him that you would absolutely not be at this bar between 10 and 11. And then he came anyway. Hi, Will, what's up?
This wasn't my idea.
What?
I said this wasn't my...
Come on, let's
go.
Hey, you'll be fine. Do you think?
Be good, Julie.
You want to get a drink?
Yeah.
Okay. You see something back there?
Yeah, you know what? I'm really sorry, Will, but I've got to go home right now. I'm really sorry.
I love when they do that.
Okay, that could break the machine.
Oh, please, Julie. Oh, that's Ty. Thanks.
My number's unlisted.
Julie, will you relax? We've been dating for 3 months and he is not a stalker. Hi, Ty.
This is Mark in the Morning from Magic 96.7 radio station. Who am I speaking with?
Oh my God, Julie, it's Mark in the Morning. Oh my God, hold on. Okay, put on the speakerphone. Oh my God, Mark in the Morning. Hi, hi, Mark. I'm Carla. Carla Wilson.
Well, Carla, what are you doing at home on the long 4th of July weekend?
I'm actually in school.
Well, how would you like
studying
to
really
win
hard.
a Magic 96.7 Quickie Getaway?
Hell yeah! Oh my
I
God!
hope you remember your geography, Carla, because all you have to do to win is tell me the capital of Brazil.
Okay, Brazil. The capital of Brazil.
Come on, Carla. One easy
capital of
question, one
Brazil.
great getaway. Carla, we need an answer. No looking it up. Okay, Carla. 5 seconds.
Okay, 5 seconds.
4.
Rio.
3.
Rio. Okay, Rio de Janeiro.
Oh, no. Did you say Rio?
No. Yes? Yes.
You just
Yes!
won Magic 96.7 Quickie Getaway. A trip for the Delaware Island of fabulous Bahamas.
I can hear. Okay, hello?
We'll call you back with all the details. So, what's your favorite radio station?
Magic 96.7!
That's what I thought.
Okay. Who am I gonna take? Okay, let's see. Tyrell, my parents, cousins. Okay, Julie. But you know what? Mark said 4 tickets, so you have to think of someone to bring.
Hey, Ray! Mom!
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, I'm really glad you called. Sorry.
No, you shouldn't be sorry.
No, I shouldn't have left so fast. I just...
Okay. Wait, listen. Carla just won a trip to the Bahamas. This island called Tower Bay, and she wants us to go with her.
The Bahamas. Really?
You know, and it would be a great chance for us to just hang out for the weekend. You know, just kind of sitting in the sun, drinking fruity drinks, swimming, and well, you know.
Like this weekend?
Yeah.
So you can go away with your college friends, but you can't go away with me.
Ray, it's not you, it's Southport, and God, it's the Bahamas. You know, free. Damn, you have to sell his ass on the Bahamas? Ray, listen, I really want us to be together.
Julie, listen. We're in the middle of a really big run up here, and it's been crazy. I think we gotta go back out again tonight. I don't think I can make it up.
Will you try? For me, please?
Look, yeah, I'll try, but... Listen. If I don't make it up, then you go ahead. Have a really great time.
Ray, for me, try, please. I really miss you.
I miss you too.
Okay. Bye.
Dude, what is your problem? We haven't caught Dick for days, man. Pull that big ugly stick out of your ass. She asked you to go to the Bahamas. Fuck it, man. You gotta go. Hey, man, I'll ride up with you. Kick it with my homies in Cambridge.
Yeah. Stupid.
Yes, stupid. What were you thinking, man?
I'll show you what I've been thinking.
Whoa, Ray. Damn. Thanks, but I'll need a little time to think about it. Nice fit, huh?
Yeah. Listen, I should call Julie back. Tell her I'm coming.
Oh, no way, man. Surprise her. She'll be psyched.
Yeah. All right, clean up.
Julie, will you please forget about Ray? That boy's got fish on the brains, okay? Yeah, but nothing. Where are we going?
The Bahamas.
Where are we going? Where are we going, Julie?
Here I go again on my own, going down the only road I've ever known.
Hey, try the harmony.
You try the harmony, man. I'll lead.
You get the lead? You suck.
Fuck you, man. I sound just like the dude. Listen.
And I've made up my mind.
Yo, you don't sound anything like that guy.
Are you deaf?
Fuck you.
Quitting this band, man. Going solo.
Oh, shit.
What are you doing, man? Let's just keep going. Find a phone.
No.
Come on, the guy looks dead, man.
Maybe not.
What are you doing, man?
This is fucked up, man. Shit.
Girl, it's getting down to the wire.
He's not coming.
I just thought... Julie, you left him 4 messages. 4 messages.
He said he'd try.
Try is like maybe, Julie. Try is bullshit. Bullshit.
He does work hard.
Work hard my ass. Julie, he's only breaking your heart because he can. And I don't want to be the one to say I told you so.
Then don't.
Oh, my God. What's happening, lovers? What's going on? We gonna get tropical, we gonna get tropical, huh? Talk to you for a minute. What's up, Jules?
Hi. Julie, please, I'm really sorry about Will. But I mean, he's my friend too, and I didn't want my ticket to go to waste. So, where there's a will, there's a way. So let's start having fun now. Come on. Woo!
What's up? Is there a problem?
No. No, there is no problem because we are all going to the Bahamas.
You goddamn right. Come on.
Right. We are going to the Bahamas. To the Bahamas.
Right now, go ahead and keep your seatbelts fastened. Walker, okay?
Yes,
Thank you.
Cool, emergency. I'm in the wrong row. I shouldn't be in this row.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Whew.
You know what? Take deep breaths. Think of something happy from your childhood.
What if I don't have anything happy from childhood? I'm sorry, I just can't relax going 500 miles an hour.
Deep breaths.
Fumes build up in the fuel tanks. You can buy surface-to-air missiles over the internet. Planes fall out of the sky for practically no reason at all.
You would have a better chance of getting hit by lightning.
Why? Planes get hit by lightning. You get hit by meteors, they hit other planes.
Oh, you're gonna get hit all right. If you don't quit bitching.
Deep breaths. Some folks just can't fly.
Just breathe, Tyrell, breathe.
Man, get away from me, man.
See, it's not a macho thing, it's about equilibrium in your inner ear. I mean, you could've used the patch, but it's too late now. You just gotta get used to it. Some folks just can't sail.
It's too bad, too, because it's the only way on or off the island. Unless you have an accident, then they call the Coast Guard.
Well, it looks pretty remote, doesn't it?
Yeah, but that's what tourists pay for. Sun, sea, and solitude.
Hey, how much longer, man?
A few more minutes, kid. Hang in there. Don't hold back, let out. Just watch your boat. Yeah, go that way.
there's anything I can do to make your stay more pleasurable here, please don't hesitate to ask. My name is Derek, and I will be at your service for the duration of your stay, ladies.
Duration of your stay, ladies.
Listen, old man, I gotta work fast. Season's almost over.
Afraid I was right about the weather. You're already out of time. Oh man, my ass.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, we are here. We have arrived in paradise. Hey! You gotta be shitting me. Look at this cat.
Yo, what's up, my brother?
Hey, Tyrell, I think we found your brother. I think we found your brother.
Damn. You know what I was saying? Are you looking for some back? I got some back guano. I got the cream jeans. Listen, anything you guys need, Titus got.
No, thank you, but thank you very much.
What's up? Everybody needs something. What about the ladies, the sweet young ladies? Is there anything I can do?
Take a bath.
Oh, damn, that's cold, woman. All right. Listen, if you need some weed, I'll get with you later. Hey, what's up? Was you looking for the disco?
Beat it. Hello? Hello? God, where is everyone? Good question. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, I'll scare somebody up.
Hello? Yeah. Oh, shit.
What can I do for you?
Checking in. Carla Wilson?
Oh, yes. Well, let's roll out the red carpet. Our contest winners are finally here. Last name first, first name last.
Hey, nice dog you got there, man.
Not really. Found pieces of guys like you in his stool.
You got a problem or something?
I don't have a problem in the world, pal.
You know what? This is such a beautiful old hotel. Don't you think?
Built in the 1930s for one of the Rockefeller clan. Tiles were imported from Spain. There's a lot of history here. Judy Garland spent the night here. President Nixon.
Okay. We understand. We get it. It's old.
It'll outlive you, I'm sure. Put that down, please.
Oh, sorry.
Wilson. Comma. Carla. Oh.
Oh, what?
You're in 201 and 202.
Is that a bad thing?
No, not at all. Not at all. Those are our honeymoon suites.
Your what?
Honeymoon suites. I take it you kids haven't exchanged vows, have you?
We haven't exchanged anything. Louie, come on. We're talking sweets. That'll be fine with us.
During your stay, our marginally trained off-season staff of 5 will attend to your every need.
Wait a minute. Did you say off-season?
It's the 4th of July weekend. Storm season begins today. Clouds roll in like clockwork.
Storm season?
Yes, it's our version of winter. That's 201, 202. Scrabble and Parcheesi in the lounge. Enjoy.
RTL televizija. Gdje je nestalo mlijeko za tijelo? Skriveno je u gel kremi za tuširanje. S 1/4 hidratantne kreme, DAV gel krema za tuširanje pomaže vašoj koži da ostane meka, glatka i njegovana nakon svakog tuširanja. DAV gel krema za tuširanje.
Priroda ti daje unutarnju snagu. Bistra, prirodna izvorska voda iz srca Ivančice. Predstavljamo Aquafresh Extreme Clean. Njegova mikroaktivna pjena ulazi u teško dostupna mjesta uklanjajući izvore lošeg zadaha. Prodire čak i u pore vašeg jezika, te čini vaše zube i jezik toliko osvježavajuće čistima da morate osjetiti promjenu. Aquafresh Extreme Clean. Osjetite ekstremnu čistoću. Ne zaboravite na jezik.
Zagorjela prljavština. Okorjela masnoća. Trebam više snage. Trebam više snage.
Krajnje je vrijeme za novi Pur Power Gel s novom formulom, sada 40% jači. Samo jedna kap jaka je poput lopatice za masnoću. Eto kako novi Pur uklanja čak i okorjelu masnu prljavštinu bez napora.
Savršena snaga. Savršena snaga.
Novo Pur Power Gel. Najjači pur ikada.
Henkel kvaliteta.
Čovjek je ključ uspjeha u turizmu. Budimo dobri domaćini. Vaša Hrvatska turistička zajednica.
Njega zubi koja je ukusna? Probajte Orbidrops bez šećera. Od sada i novi okus lubenice. Bomboni Orbidrops uravnotežuju pH vrijednost u ustima nakon svakog obroka i pomažu vam održati zube zdravima. Orbidrops, odličan okus za zdrave zube.
PBZ vam predstavlja rješenje za vaša tekuća pitanja. Tekući račun u PBZ-u donosi vam čak trostruko prekoračenje do ukupno 3 prosječna mjesečna primanja. Tu je najpovoljnija kamata na prekoračenje već od 7,98%. Najpovoljnije naknade za vođenje tekućeg računa. Riješite tekuća pitanja. PBZ tekući račun, da stvari glatko teku.
Electric shivers across my skin. It's like a fever, and you're my only medicine.
Axe efekt. Sada i u gelu za tuširanje. Vani je sve toplije. Tražite osvježenje za vruće ljetne dane? E pa pripremite se jer ovog ljeta na RTL televiziji čekaju vas Bruce Willis, Renée Zellweger, Penelope Cruz, Ashton Kutcher, Tobey Maguire, Reese Witherspoon, Jim Carrey, Uma Thurman, Drew Barrymore, Christina Ricci, Halle Berry, Hugh Jackman. I zato opustite se, udobno smjestite i prepustite užitku, jer počinje ljeto na RTL televiziji.
Zabava, snaga i inovacije su naš moto. Iznenađenja, nezgode i reakcije. Pogledajte u posljednjoj emisiji. Prijatelji na kvadrat u utorak u 20:40 na RTL televiziji.
To na televiziji bude bilo.
Ain't nothing free in this world. Everybody says it and it's true. I wanted you guys to have a great trip.
Oh, baby, we will. Don't even worry about that. We got the whole island to ourselves, all right?
Yeah, plus, I spend blue skies all day. It might be perfect all weekend.
Guys, this is us. 202?
The bags.
201,
And 202. Don't use these much.
Really? Why is that?
No reason in particular. It's just that these are fancy rooms for kids your age.
Yeah, well, we won a competition.
Oh. And what did you have to do?
Guess the capital of Brazil.
Rio, baby.
That's right.
Good for you, girl. And, where would you like I put your bags?
Oh, well, you can put their stuff in there and, ours back here. Carla, you promised. And I also promised Tyrell.
Julie, what's up, man? You're killing me. Killing me.
Julie, look, if it's cool, I can sleep on the couch. That way they can have the same room, practice that real honeymoon. I'll take this.
No, I'm doing this since before you were gleaming your father's eye.
You sure it's cool with you?
Yeah, sure. As long as you promise not to snore.
Well, if I get out of hand, you can toss something at me.
He looks pretty beat up.
Yeah, but he seems certain. His friend was killed out on the highway by somebody named Ben Willis. He said this Willis guy had a hook on his hand and was driving a BMW.
Look, there's no body. There's no other vehicle involved. He fell asleep at the wheel. He crashed his truck into an old guardrail. He got thrown a hell of a long way down into a ditch, and he's damn lucky.
Yeah, he suffered severe head trauma.
Well, after he rests up, he'll probably all come back.
Doctor, number 3 just flatlined. Get me some help up here. I've got a flatline, room 3.
Overlooked ICU 3. Overlooked ICU
3. Let's get a couple of drinks and life good, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. This bar is, empty?
You boys lost?
Oh, wow. A human being. Please, just tell me this isn't the bar scene.
You want a drink?
We didn't get all dressed up for nothing.
Oh, you're dressed up?
All right, Will, come on, check this out, man. All right, we got a Planter's Punch, we got a Singapore Sling, or how about a My Motherfucking Tie?
My motherfucking tie.
Yeah.
How about some ID? Kidding.
The guy at the desk said the place would be quiet, not dead.
Yeah, well, I guess he didn't tell you that this year is the
Last day of the season? Yes, he did.
Right.
So why are you still here?
That's none of your goddamn business.
I think I smell man trouble.
Yeah.
No, not anymore.
Did he dump you?
No, I shot him. Now, what you boys want is a dark and stormy. Little Vernon's rum, little ginger beer, splashed Tabasco. It's good, trust me.
Am I bad? I mean, he's really great, right? And kind of cute.
Yes, he is cute and he has a crush on you.
But I miss Ray. I really do. You know, I tried to call him. You know what, Julie? Ray made up his own mind, so that means you're free to make up yours. So for the next 48 hours, your smile is a frown turned upside down. Oh, really?
We'll talk about it.
Oh, here comes my baby.
Hey, you like the outfit?
No, I love it.
Oh, thank you.
So what y'all think? It's a pretty cool bar, right?
Everyone starts to look the same once you worked in one. Am I right, sister? Got that right.
You look beautiful.
I'm Julie. This is Carla.
Nancy. Hi. Well, welcome to Tower Bay's most happening hotspot.
Up in our room is gonna be the most happening hotspot.
Okay. 4 dark and stormy.
Oh, okay. Prince is here.
All right, so a great weekend.
Yeah, to a great weekend.
Screw the weather.
So, what you do around here for fun? Make fun of tourists, basically. Or let them make fun of themselves. Ooh, karaoke. Perfect.
That's what I'm talking about right there.
No, don't even think about it. Okay.
Don't even listen to them party poopers. You keep doing your thing.
No, baby, this is not for me. This is for someone who really needs it. So, one single with extra cheese. Carla, no. Yes, Julie. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. What did I say?
Come on, Julie. Come on.
Don't you keep listening.
Julie in the house.
Do it. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause for my friend, my very best friend. Get up here. Julie James.
Hey, in the house.
I'm saying?
Just turn around now. Just you're not welcome anymore. Don't know the lyrics. Hold on. Tim.
What do you mean?
He did something to the screen. I swear to God, it said.
Julie, what's wrong?
I swear to God, it said.
What do you mean?
Julie, what are you talking about? Nothing. Where you going? Julie!
I am so sorry.
It's my fault. I shouldn't have.
No, it was...
I didn't think.
This is so sweet. I'm sorry.
I scared you. I crossed the line.
No, you scared me, but I'm a little on edge. Sorry.
Hey, you don't have to apologize. I'm the one. I understand. I'm just gonna take a walk.
Are you sure?
I just really like you a lot, you know? I want you to have a great time. I want you to be happy. I'll just grab a few things here.
Oh, God, I'm sorry.
Bounce, baby, bounce. Yeah.
Baby, you know what?
What?
I've decided I'm gonna change my major to finance. And I'm going to Wall Street. You know why?
Why is that, lover?
Because that is the only way I can afford a big-ass bed like this.
Why don't you show me some love on this big-ass bed? Come on.
Ooh, it's just oozy.
Come on, baby, don't go over there. Let's stay right here.
Baby, I spent $100 on my new bathing suit. And even if it's just for you to pull it off, I gotta wear it.
See, that's what I'm talking about. You ain't mentioned that earlier, you sexy thing.
Damn it, man, you scared the shit out of me.
You're living your life in fear, bro. It's time for your passage into manhood.
What do you want, Titus?
Okay, hear me out. There's a kick-ass party on the mainland. I'm saying we take the boat and get jiggy with it.
No.
Oh, come on, man.
I gotta tie the boat, there's a storm coming, and then I'm going to bed.
And that's it?
That's all I got for today, man. Please, take the bait elsewhere.
All right.
Be careful, please.
Bullshit. Listen, buddy, you need to take a chill pill.
Have a good time, bro.
I will, buddy.
Oh, damn it! Very funny, asshole. Hey, man, give me a hand, would you?
I need an international operator. Come on.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
What?
You see my hair tie?
Oh, come on.
I'm sorry, baby. I just don't want to get my hair wet.
Look, I finally got you alone in this jacuzzi, and personally, I do not want to be talking about hair care.
Don't get feisty.
Feisty? It's too late for all that. Because you know what? We're miles away from anybody, so nobody can hear you scream.
Well, I used to be a lifeguard. And please don't make me blow my whistle.
Oh, I just hate for you to blow your whistle.
No water sports after midnight. That's hotel policy.
Oh, yeah? Then what's the policy on burning herb?
You can't try it until you buy it.
What's up? Hey.
Oh, it's all good. And believe me, it is all good.
Crazy freak. Where was I?
Hey guys. That's beautiful.
Kidding me. There's 10 people on this whole island and all gonna end up in this jacuzzi.
How's the water?
Crowded. This feels great.
Well, how's Julie doing?
She's up in her room alone. Any advice?
Yeah. Find another jacuzzi.
Yo, Will, you can't give up so easy, man. You gotta hang in there.
It's great, isn't it?
I can't win. I can't.
hell's my toothbrush? Will! It's happening again.
What? What happened?
I do not find this at all funny.
There was a body in there. I swear it.
Julie, you said you were tired. Maybe you were dreaming.
No, I wasn't dreaming.
I knew you people were going to be trouble. I knew it the moment I laid eyes.
No, you listen to me. He's here.
Who? Who is here?
Hey, what's going on?
I don't know. Julie's talking about she saw some dead guy in the closet, but all we see is bathrobes.
Cool. God, you think this is funny? God damn it, Tyrell. I am not going crazy. He was in there.
Oh, yeah? Then where's he now, Julie? Huh? Where's the dead guy?
Julie, think about it, okay? I mean, what did you actually see?
I saw the dockhand guy hanging by his neck in there.
All right, look. In the morning, we'll talk to Derek, the dockhand guy, and we'll put this whole thing to rest. In the meantime, let's slow down on the dark and stormies and get some sleep.
Sound like a man.
No, I want off this island.
That's not possible. I'm afraid the last ferry left a couple hours ago, and there won't be another one for days. We have a storm coming.
Fine, then I'll call the mainland and I'll get a boat.
Phones went down a few minutes ago.
It's dead.
Duh. Now listen up. Next couple of days are going to be rough, but we'll make it.
What about a radio?
Emergencies only.
What the hell would you call this?
I'd call this 4 spoiled city kids who wouldn't know a hurricane if it blew up their ass. Look, this is not a drill. All we can do now is batten down and ride it out. And if it gets really bad, we have a storm shelter. Good night.
Blood of the young. Pain of the past, fear of the future. The blood of the young. Pain of the past, fear of the future. The blood of the young. The pain of the past, fear of the future. The blood of the young.
Yeah, that's my baby. Y'all growed up good. Y'all growed up real good. Now where you hiding it? Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Yeah, that's it. Find a damn light out. Can I help you?
God damn it!
Oh, seriously, don't do that! Oh, God, Jesus! No!
Oh, it's all good.
How's it going?
Can I help you? That's a full carrot.
How much?
Well, she's got some pilks in her.
How much?
Tell you the truth, I don't have much of a market for this kind of thing. The best I can do is $2, maybe $2.50.
Make it 300. And throw in that too.
Which one are you talking about? Crazy boy. It's worth $300 all by itself. And there's a waiting period.
Not waiting. She'll keep the ring and give me the gun.
Look, boy, you sure you want to go this way?
Is you loaded?
No.
Loaded.
Baby, I gotta tell you, this is bullshit. You know? This ain't the romantic weekend I had in mind, man.
Hey, Jules. Get any sleep? Yeah, some.
Oh, wow, look at that. Another beautiful day in paradise. With Julie as our tour director. Miss Psychotic episode. Hey, Julie, you see any dead bodies out there? Any fresh kill?
Shut up, Ty.
How about Freddie or Jason or somebody?
You should leave her alone, man.
Because I'm just telling y'all what everybody in this room is thinking. I mean, it's bad enough getting rained out without having to hold her hand the whole damn time.
Yeah, but you don't have to be an asshole about it.
No, it's okay. It's okay, he doesn't believe me. No, that's his right. I'm starting to think I'm crazy, too.
Julie, nobody thinks you're crazy, okay?
I do.
And you know what? Why don't you guys go find yourself something to do?
Maybe I don't want to do nothing with him. I want to do something with you.
Please. While we go to the gym and work off some of that stress. Nobody thinks you're crazy.
Look, this is what we need to do. We need to find Stone the boy, make his stupid ass hook us up with some ping pong paddles or some pool sticks
You know
or
what?
something.
The greenhouse effect has caused the Gulf Stream to shift, and almost every meteorological expert expects some dramatic increase in tropical depression, which cause hurricanes, massive coastal flooding. It wouldn't take much of a storm surge to wipe us right off of this island.
Hey. Shut up, okay? Shut up. God. Come on.
This is a nice gym.
Ah, nice move.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you fisherman some of this. See how he likes it. Poor baby. You know what, Julie? Got a better idea. You're not leaving this island until you get a tan. Come on.
Wow, cancer in a box.
Nah, this is the safe son. Come on, Julie. It's better than a day on the beach, girl. Here we go. With a little photosynthesis, you will feel like a new
houseplant.
Exactly. Bye.
Bye.
this is the way to the pool?
Well, there's his car. Fucking idiot left it in the rain.
Carla, that'll break the machine. Damn, how many pairs is in there?
Hey, pool boy! Yo, Bob Marley! You in there? Hey, you in there or what?
Classified as a fucking emergency.
Hey, Brooks! Where the fuck you at, man? Huh? We want off this fucking island!
We gotta get the fuck out of here.
Julie, you wanna tell us what the fuck is going on here?
We're all gonna die! He's gonna kill us one by one! Ooh! Ben Willis! Julie, stop that shit, alright? Ben Willis is dead. You killed him, remember?
They never found the body. 2 summers ago, we lied to the authorities. We hit Ben Willis with our car and then we threw his body in the water to cover it up. Only he didn't die. He killed Barry and Helen last July 4th. And I swear to God, I thought Ray and I killed him, but we didn't.
Fuck out of here.
No! You listen to me! He's back to finish it up!
Julie, we're in the middle of nowhere! There's dead bodies piling up all over the place, and as far as I can see, there's only one guy missing.
The porter, what's his name?
Estes! That's exactly who it is! I'm telling you, that fucker knows something. Now we can sit here like assholes and wait for him to pick us off, or we can go find them first.
It's not him.
Fuck that! We gotta do something.
I'm with him.
Come on!
Julie, I can't believe you. How can you not tell me the whole story? I'm your best friend. I just wanted it to be over. I didn't want to involve anybody else.
It was too late for that.
Come on, let's go! bastards! Hey, you sick bastard! You in here? Huh? Fuck. You hear me? Sick
He's not here, man.
Some crazy shit in here, man. Oh yeah, no doubt. This is our fucking killer. This is our fucking guy.
You guys.
Shit. Fuck. Anyone missing a hair tie?
Shit, that's mine.
What about a toothbrush?
Voodoo.
All right, we gotta find flashlights, torches, guns, whatever the fuck they got on this island so we can get off.
Wait, he's down there collecting body parts or something.
Let's just get the fuck out of here, all right?
You guys should just wait right here.
No, why can't we come with you?
Because it's safer here, all right? Just be a second, all right? 1 second.
Julie, where you going?
Ooh. What the hell was that?
Oh, shit. Julie?
Brasilia.
Julie, watch out!
That's the capital of Brazil, not Rio.
Stay away from where you crazy motherfucker! About this the killer!
No.
Bullshit, we've seen the voodoo stuff.
No. I found the bodies this morning. I tried to use the radio, but he had already destroyed it.
No, leave him alone. I believe him. Come on, Julie, you saw his room.
I haven't hurt anyone. I stole those things to help you, to protect you.
He could have easily killed me, but he didn't. Jesus Christ, we didn't even answer the radio question right. This whole thing was a setup. The fuck are you talking about?
Rio isn't the capital of Brazil. Sorry, wrong answer. We lose.
So then where is he, huh? Where's this Ben Willis guy, huh?
I don't know.
You never fucking know. I mean, what, we supposed to just trust you, huh? How we know you ain't the one who set this whole thing up?
How do we know that you're not?
I know who you're talking about. He used to work here at the hotel. Lately, I've seen him out in the woods by the orchard. If you like, I can show you.
Well, how do we know he's not setting us up?
Where else are you gonna go?
All I know is I'm not staying here.
We are gonna be better off in the open, and if we stick together, maybe we can kill this asshole for good.
Show us.
What the hell?
I need to get to Tower Bay Island.
We're closed.
I need to get to that island now.
Let me ask you something, sport. Did you ever see what it's like outside?
I'm not looking for a weather report. I'm looking for a boat. So which one's yours?
He worked here for many years. Raised a family. Pretty wife. 2 little ones. A boy and a girl. One day the wife went missing. Maid found blood all over the honeymoon suite. Room 201. Eventually they found the body. Pieces of it at least. People say she was cheating on him. People say he would beat her. People say a lot of things. He disappeared. Children too. Now he's back.
Julie, be careful. I gotta see! What's today's date? July 4th. I'm not gonna die on this island! Do you hear me? If you want me bad, come and get me! I'm right here! But my grave stays empty! Julie, this is crazy, all right? The phone lines are down and the boats are gone and there's no way off this island.
Yeah, then we fight.
Where did Estes go?
Why, Will? He can't help us anyway.
He's probably the only one who can. I'll find him.
I'm going with you.
Are you crazy? You gonna leave us here by ourselves?
It's okay. He couldn't have got far. I'll catch up with you guys later.
No, no!
The meet us back at the hotel, okay? Okay? Come on, let's go.
What I really need is a gun, not a knife, but fuck it. So what's up? What are you gonna do with those? Huh? You gonna butter them? You gonna clean vegetables? Take this. You ready?
Yeah.
Hey, you okay? You gonna get this fucker, right? Right? Let's head to the pantry.
Why? Is that a good place to hide?
I don't know, I'm just fucking hungry.
Hey! Estes, where'd you go? What the fuck, man? You said you were gonna help us. You should have told us you had a boat.
We're not going anywhere.
What?
Baby, don't go in here.
It's only food. Don't even worry about it, baby. It's only food. Stop trying to act like you ain't hungry. It's just a stupid rat.
Nancy!
Come in! Come in! Come on! Come on! Come in!
This is the Arcanum requesting emergency assistance for Tower Bay Island. I repeat, this is the Arcanum requesting emergency assistance.
RTL televizija.
Istinsku bjelinu snježnih vrhova može oplemeniti samo svježina mirisa zelenih polja. Zato vam predstavljamo novi miris Domestos izbjeljivača rublja. Zahvaljujući svojoj gustoj formuli prodire u tkaninu, dajući joj savršenu bjelinu, a od sada i svježinu zelenih polja. Domestos izbjeljivač, bjelina i higijena vašeg rublja. Njega zubi koja je ukusna? Probajte Orbidrops bez šećera. Od sada i novi okus lubenice. Bomboni Orbidrops uravnotežuju pH vrijednost u ustima nakon svakog obroka i pomažu vam održati zube zdravima. Orbidrops, odličan okus za zdrave zube.
Gledajte ljudi, s novom VIP poslovnom tarifom 0 međusobno razgovaramo uvijek za 0 kuna. A prema svim ostalim mrežama u Hrvatskoj plaćamo samo 1 kunu po minuti.
VIP poslovna tarifa 0, VPN za tvrtke već od 2 zaposlenih, VIP snaga komunikacije. Uz novu VIP poslovnu tarifu 0 dolazi izvanredna ponuda Nokia 6020 za 891 kunu, Sony Ericsson T630 za 191 kunu i Sony Ericsson T290i za nevjerojatnih 0,91 kunu. VIP poslovna tarifa 0, VPN za tvrtke već od 2 zaposlenih, VIP snaga komunikacije.
U posve nepoznati grad došla je sa samo jednim ciljem i neophodnom opremom. Za nju meta je jedna svetinja. Ona je hladna i precizna. Ona je plaćeni ubojica koji postaje lovina. Vrijeme ubijanja u ponedjeljak u 21:35 na RTL televiziji.
Ponekad zamjena identiteta može imati zanimljive posljedice. Jer dok mislite da volite jednu, zapravo ste zaljubljeni u sasvim drugu osobu.
Nowhere?
Janine Garofalo i Uma Thurman. Istina o mačkama i psima u utorak u 21:35 na RTL televiziji.
U čovjeku se krije životinja koja ga može učiniti snažnijim, ali koju je cijenu spreman platiti kako bi ju pustio van. Sljedeći petak u ponoći 20 na RTL televiziji.
Lovator slijedi na RTL televiziji. RTL televizija.
So, that's where the flashlights went. Look, I'm sorry, but you could have been the one doing all this.
And so could you, crazy bitch.
Hey, you're the one who broke into my hiding place.
I'm sorry. I must have missed the sign.
Excuse me, but this place didn't have a murder rate until you people showed up. I've never seen a dead body before.
Yeah, get used to it.
Who's doing this?
Boy, here we go. Look. Don't even get us started, all right? It's a long, fucked up story and you probably won't believe a word of it anyway. All I know is that this is the worst vacation of my whole life. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm fucking horny, and personally I haven't seen one goddamn psycho killer.
Jesus Christ, that's my bedroom! God, you sick freak! Do something! No, she is never gonna make it! Come on! Get off me! Gosh! Oh, shit. Damn, it's locked. Are you okay?
I'll live. It's locked.
Gotta open the door. We're gonna get you out of here, I promise. I promise. Come on, Nancy. One of you. Hurry. Carla? Carla? Shit! Come on, power here somewhere. Hey, Julie. Carla, just grab a hold of my hand. Hey, Julie. Carla, just grab a hold of my hand.
I am holding your hand.
No, you're not.
You guys okay?
Oh my God, it's Will!
Come on, let's get out of here. Come on, come on.
okay. Let's just get inside.
Did you get help? What happened?
Estes attacked me.
What? Wait, you think he's a part of this?
I don't know.
Your stomach, you're hurt.
I'll be okay. Let's just get inside.
Wait a minute, I don't think we should go inside.
Look, the last time I saw the slicker guy was on the beach. I think we're safe, okay?
Jesus, you're bleeding to death. We need to find a first aid kit. I think there's one in the lobby. All right. Okay, just sit there.
Don't worry, he's gone. Just go, it'll be okay.
Look, I'll go with you. Come on. Come on. Listen, Will, you are gonna be okay, all right? Jesus, there's blood everywhere. I can't find a wound.
It's because it's not my blood. It's not my blood, Julie. What's your favorite radio station, Julie? Come on, Julie, what's your favorite radio station? 96.7. It's time for you to contemplate the ultimate quickie getaway. Look at the bright side, Jules. We finally get to spend some quality time together.
Why are you doing this to me?
Me. It's always about you. I'm having bad dreams. I can't sleep. I'm not doing well in school. I'm having trouble with my boyfriend.
I trusted you.
Oh, you are so much like the rest of them. You never take responsibility for anything you do, and you think you can get away with murder. What'd you do that for? You're a bitch. That's gonna leave a mark.
Just tell me why.
Why? Come on, Jules, think about it. You'll get it. Will Benson? Benson. Hi, Dad.
Hush now. No more screaming, no more running. It's time to die.
Let it go! Let it go. Oh, you gotta be shitting me.
What are you gonna do, boy? Call us names? Let it go now! Think about it, boy. You're no killer. That's my job. You don't have it in you.
Sure to miss you down here, Ray. It's too bad. We could have been friends. I mean, really, man. I would have shared it with you. Come on, Ray. Stay with me. You see that?
Now I want you to think about all the things we're gonna do to her. You want him dead?
Stand him up.
Just fucking die!
I thought I would never see you again. Oh, girl, you don't have to worry about me. I made us deal. Good old Ray.
Hey, Carla.
If anyone asks, let's not tell him it rained the whole time, okay?
It'll be our little secret. Fell asleep on the couch. She didn't tell me how late it was.
Were you checking the locks again?
You know me too well.
Don't you dare go to sleep, girl.
Ray?
I love this thing.
what the hell is your problem? Just stop.
Lovator, upravo na RTL televiziji.